Unlocking access to Apple Music family sharing.
Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on resolving issues when your family members are unable to access the Apple Music family sharing plan. We know it can be frustrating when you can't share your favorite music with your loved ones. So, today, we'll walk you through some steps to fix this issue.
Confirm the family sharing setup.
First and foremost, ensure that family sharing is correctly set up. If you're the family organizer, go to your Apple ID account settings on your Apple device. Confirm that you have family sharing turned on and that the family member in question is listed as a participant. Also, confirm that Apple Music is listed as a service available for family sharing.
Check invitations.
Sometimes, the issue might be as simple as your family member not accepting the invitation to join the family sharing plan. Ask them to check their email or their invitations in the family sharing settings. If they have not accepted an invitation, instruct them to do so. If they can't find the invitation, you can resend it from your family sharing settings.
Ensure correct Apple ID.
Your family member must be using the same Apple ID for Apple Music that is connected to the family sharing plan. Ask them to confirm which Apple ID they're using with Apple Music. If it's not the one connected to family sharing, they'll need to sign out and sign back in with the correct Apple ID.
Verify age restrictions.
Ensure that the family member's account does not have any restrictions, like age restrictions, that might prevent them from joining the family sharing plan. Go to the screen time settings on their device and check if there are any content and privacy restrictions that could be affecting their ability to access Apple Music.
Check for updates.
Lastly, ensure all devices are running the latest software updates. This includes updating to the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and Apple Music. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues preventing your family members from accessing your Apple Music family sharing plan. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for more assistance. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and now you can enjoy sharing your favorite music with your loved ones. Happy listening!